Hola, buen día.
Hola. So for today, we're going to renew our T.I.E or T.I.E card. Because you all know, na-approve na kami for 3 years, di ba? So today is our Cita for our T.I.E renewal.
We're going to the police station, again, in the Plaza España. Ang sita namin is alauna.
Yeah.
So, we're still walking and it's a bit early pa naman. We'll have some photocopies pa rin naman along the way. We brought the same requirements, but we don't know yet if they need all of that or they'll just get the old T.I.E card.
Yeah.
So, we'll let you know. Sama ulit kayo sa trip namin. For the requirements of the T.I.E,
Dinala pa rin namin yung mga previous documents namin. Same lang. Pero ang importante is yung bagong resolusyon, yung approval namin for the 3 years na DNV.
yes.
So that's the very most important. And then yung forms, of course, na dinownload namin sa website nila. So we accomplished them.
Of course, paid.
And
So,
also the payment.
Yeah, may resibo yun. Ang ginawa namin, nagbayad kami sa Santander. But any bank would do.
Yeah.
So, alam na nila yung gagawin nila doon pag nagbayad ka sa cashier. May stamp yun and may resibo din.
2 copies na nga yung binigay nila, di ba? And
We renewed our padron.
what else? Of course, dinala pa rin namin yung passport, yung
I think-
mga basic.
Importante yung old T.I.E card.
Yes,
Kukunin
oo.
kasi nila yun.
Yeah. Pina-photocopy na rin namin just in case kailangan. Yung photos, ang dinala namin yung dati. Kasi ang dami pang natira naming photos eh.
Yeah. But we're not sure if they will ask for a new photo.
Sana hindi nila questionin.
And we're here in the Plaza Spania. We still have
14 minutes.
14 minutes. I think we're on time.
Yes.
And we're done.
Yeah, just like that. Parang 5 minutes lang. Yeah.
And as usual, they gave us the resguardo. It's like a receipt. And
Yeah.
we need to make a cita again to get it by June.
Yeah. By June ba, sabi?
Yes,
Pero
Junyo.
pwede na nating i-check sa ano yan, system nila.
Yes.
Kung ano, available na.
So for the requirements, anong mga kinuha?
Well, of course, the passport and yung resolution nga. Padron, yung form, of course. Then yung sa payment. Tapos yung picture pala.
Pwedeng retain.
Pero ano, sabi nung babae, next time, bagong picture na ha.
Okay.
So parang dapat yata, bagong picture. Parang magdadala ka ng bagong picture. Kaya lang, hindi kami nagdala. Yun pa din.
Same picture.
Okay.
Pero anyway, nanggap naman. And mas smooth ngayon.
At nakakatuwa si Kuya ha. Talagang mas despacyo yung kanyang pagsasalita. Alam niya. 1 p.m. siya, ako 1:15. Buti, nandun na kami, 1:46, ganon. Tinawag na agad yung pangalan.
It means,
so yun, tapos na.
kaunti lang yung nagpasita ngayong araw na to.
Oo. Yun, we're done.
We're done.
That was fast. Wala bang, parang 5 minutes lang.
And we'll get our new T.I.E by June.
By June.
So, thank you for joining us again.
Yeah.
See you.
Hasta luego.